Welcome back to the online class of English. Students, today we are going to start with new chapter of English grammar, that is chapter 22, conjunctions. So what we are going to start today? We are going to start chapter 22, that is conjunctions. In this unit, you will be made familiar with some more conjunctions, and conjunctions you have already done in your previous classes also. We are going to discuss more about conjunctions. So before starting with conjunctions, we must know what are conjunctions. Even ducks are asking, conjunction, junction, what are your function? So what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words which join words, groups of words, or sentences. So what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words which join words, group of words, or sentences. For example, and, or, but, because, so, as, since, if, though, although, until, while, when. These are the examples of conjunctions. So, conjunctions are the words that is used to combine words, or we can say that to join words or group of words or sentences. Now let's start with read some sentences first. Run fast or you will lose the race. You will lose the race if you don't run fast. He knows that Aarti is my best friend. We are not allowed to do that because it's harmful. Now you can see that or, if, that, because. These are underlined words, and all the underlined words are conjunctions. I will not talk to you until you tell me the truth. Now again you can see that until is joining these two sentences. So until is also a conjunction. Let's start with and. And is used to join words and sentences expressing similarities. That means when we are using and in a word, and is used to join the sentences expressing some kind of similarities. Let's read some examples. Astha and Sandy are siblings. So now Astha and Sandy, they have some kind of that similarity. That means they are siblings. And is joining Astha and Sandy. That means it is joining two words. Astha and Sandy are siblings. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. So again and is that used to join the words. So and is what? It is a conjunction. Next is but. But is used to join words and sentences that show contrast. That means some kind of difference or some unexpected result. So let's see some examples of but. I ran to the bus stop but missed the bus. I waited for you but you didn't come. So but is used to join words, or we can say that it is used to join sentences that shows contrast. That means contrast means different. What we expect, it happens opposite to that. Next is because, as, and since. Because, as, and since show the reason for something. That means they are used to show the reason for something. For example, we are not allowed to do that because it's harmful. That means we are giving the reason why we are not allowed to do that, because it's harmful. I took a cab. I took a cab as it was getting dark. That means we are giving a reason why I took a cab, because it was getting dark. Since they were worried, they called their friends. Why they called their friends? Because they were worried. Since they were worried, they called their friends. So, because, as, and since shows the reason for something. Next is or. Or shows a choice. That means either you have to choose this or that. It shows a choice. Would you prefer tea or coffee? That means there is two choices. Either you can prefer tea or coffee. Took a cab or a taxi. Now you again have a choice. Either you can took a cab or a taxi. Next is although, though. Although and though show the reason for something. They both work like but in a sentence. Although and though shows a reason and it works like but. For example, Ram leads a simple life though he is quite rich. Although Shyam was unwell, he continued dance practice. So they shows a reason. So Ram leads a simple life though he is quite rich. Although Shyam was unwell, still he continued dance practice. Now next is while and when. While and when are conjunctions of time. That means they tell about time. For example, he laughed when he saw the baby making faces. So when he laughed, that means it is giving the particular period of time. He laughed when he saw the baby making faces. He was cleaning the room while his sister was playing. That means that time is given, that when he was cleaning his room, when his sister was playing. So while and when are conjunctions of time. So students, that's all in conjunctions. Conjunction, you know that, now you understood that conjunctions are the words which join words, group of words or sentences, and we have learned different types of conjunctions like, for example, and, or, but, because, so, as, since, if, though, although, until, while, when. So I hope you understood this chapter. Now I will take your leave. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.